Hello friends, today I am going to show you smoke flavored methi chicken recipe. The methi gives a very special taste to chicken and smoke flavor gives a distinct flavor to it. My family and friends, all of them like this chicken very much. Do try it. The ingredients for this chicken are 700 grams of chicken, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander cumin powder, garam masala, salt, ginger garlic paste, fenugreek or kasuri methi. You can take fresh methi leaves also. 2 big onions cut into small pieces. Coriander leaves, half for cooking and half for garnishing. Then we have cloves, cinnamon, pepper and star anise. 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee. This is atta, charcoal, now I'm adding turmeric powder, then 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. You can use any chili powder as per your taste, but this Kashmiri chili powder gives nice red color to the curry. Then cumin coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. Then this is garam masala, which has cinnamon, pepper, cloves and elaichi. Salt to taste, 2 spoons. Then I'm going to add some ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons. Nicely marinate it and keep it aside for 10-15 minutes. I'm putting oil. When oil is nice and hot, add this spices to it. Now we are going to add onions. Let the onion become soft. It has to cook for a few minutes. Then add little coriander powder, coriander leaves to it. And mix it well and cook it for some time. Now it has become little soft and pink. Now I'm adding kasuri methi. Mix it well and then cover it and let it cook for some time. Cook it on the slow flame. Now see, the color has changed. Onion is cooked. And now I'm adding chicken to it. Mix it well. And please remember not to add water at this stage. Saute it nicely and then keep it on the slow flame. Cover it and keep it for some time. Now it's time to add water. Add little water to it. Again mix it well.
and cover it and keep it on slow flame for maybe 10 minutes. Now see, it is boiling. Now you can see the taste, and if you want to add salt or chili powder or whatever, you can add it at this time. Now this is 2 teaspoons of atta. I am mixing it with water and making a paste out of it. We are going to add this paste to the chicken curry so that the curry gets thick texture. We are not adding any cashew nuts or anything to it. Now 1 teaspoon of ghee. Now this charcoal, we have to heat it on the burner, and little oil is kept in the small kadai also. Just heat this charcoal till it becomes red. Place it in the kadai in this manner, and then add that hot oil on charcoal. It will give fumes. Cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes on the slow flame, and then keep that lid for 15-20 minutes and then open it and add that little oil also, and your chicken is ready. Now garnish it with coriander leaves and serve it and enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you liked it. Thank you.